What if money could grow while you're asleep? Literally? AI isn't just for tech giants or coding experts anymore. It can generate income, automate tasks, and unlock opportunities you never thought possible, all while you're off living your life. In this video, we're breaking down how AI can earn you money passively, the tools that actually work, and how to start leveraging it safely today. Before we get started, if you want to see how technology can turn time into cash, hit subscribe. This is where smart, modern income strategies get explained. Creating and selling digital products. AI has completely changed the game when it comes to creating digital products. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to write ebooks on any topic you're knowledgeable about. The beauty here is that once you create the product, it sells over and over again without any extra work from you. You write it once, upload it to platforms like Amazon Kindle or Gumroad, and watch the sales roll in while you're doing absolutely nothing. AI can help you research trending topics, outline your book, write chapters, and even format the content. You can create workbooks, planners, journals, or educational guides in a fraction of the time it used to take. The best part is you don't need to be a professional writer anymore. AI handles the heavy lifting while you focus on choosing profitable niches and marketing your products. Running automated content websites. Building a content website that generates ad revenue is easier than ever with AI. You can use AI writing tools to create blog posts, articles, and reviews on topics that get consistent search traffic. Once you've built up a library of content and gotten approved for ad networks like Google AdSense or Mediavine, your website earns money every time someone visits and views ads. AI can help you find low-competition keywords, write SEO-optimized articles, and even schedule posts automatically. Some people are running multiple niche websites simultaneously, all powered by AI content creation. The websites work 24/7, attracting visitors from search engines and displaying ads that generate revenue. You'll need to invest time upfront building the site and creating quality content, but once it's established, it becomes a genuine passive income stream that requires minimal maintenance. AI-powered print on demand. Print on demand is a business model where you create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and posters, but you never handle inventory or shipping. AI design tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion can generate unique designs in seconds. You upload these designs to platforms like Redbubble, Printful, or Merch by Amazon, and when someone orders a product with your design, the platform handles everything else. You earn a profit margin on each sale without touching a single product. AI can create endless variations of designs based on trending topics, popular phrases, or niche interests. You can test dozens of designs quickly to see what sells best. The key is finding niches with demand but less competition. Once your designs are uploaded, they sit there ready to make sales while you sleep, travel, or work on other projects. Some creators have thousands of designs uploaded across multiple platforms, creating multiple streams of passive income. Automated stock trading bots. AI trading bots can analyze market data and execute trades based on algorithms you set up. While this involves more risk than other methods, many people use AI-powered trading platforms to make automated investments. These bots can work 24/7, taking advantage of market opportunities even when global markets are open while you're asleep. Platforms like Pre-Commas, CryptoHopper, or TradeSanta allow you to set parameters for buying and selling cryptocurrencies or stocks. The AI analyzes patterns, trends, and signals much faster than any human could. You'll need to start with research and understand the risks involved. But once configured properly, these systems can generate returns passively. Some traders use conservative strategies focused on small, consistent gains, while others take bigger risks for potentially larger rewards. The important thing is to never invest more than you can afford to lose and to continuously monitor and adjust your strategies based on performance. Creating AI-generated YouTube channels. Faceless YouTube channels are booming, and AI makes them incredibly easy to create. You can use AI for script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and even creating visual content. Channels focused on facts, stories, tutorials, or commentary can be entirely AI-generated. Once you upload videos and enable monetization, you earn money from ads every time someone watches your content. Tools like ChatGPT write your scripts, ElevenLabs creates realistic voiceovers, and platforms like Pictory or InVideo turn your script into a complete video. You can create content about history, science, finance, self-improvement, or any topic with consistent interest. The videos you upload continue earning ad revenue month after month, year after year. Some creators upload videos weekly and build channels with hundreds of videos, each one a small passive income generator. The YouTube algorithm works around the clock, recommending your videos to new viewers globally while you're fast asleep. Building AI chatbots for businesses. Businesses need customer service, but they don't want to pay someone to answer basic questions 24/7. That's where AI chatbots come in. You can create and sell custom chatbots to small businesses or offer them as a subscription service. Once set up, these chatbots handle customer inquiries, book appointments, and answer frequently asked questions without any human intervention. You can use platforms like ManyChat, ChatFuel, or even build custom solutions using ChatGPT's API. Each client you set up pays you monthly for the service, creating recurring passive income. The chatbot works continuously, helping customers at 3 a.m. just as effectively as 3 p.m. As you add more clients, your income grows while your workload stays relatively the same. This business model scales beautifully because once you've built your systems and templates, each new client is mostly setup and customization work. Selling AI-generated art and assets. Designers are using AI to create artwork, logos, templates, and graphics that sell on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and Adobe Stock. With AI image tools, you can produce designs in minutes and sell them as digital products. No inventory or shipping needed. Items like social media templates, printables, wedding invites, or business cards can sell hundreds of times. Create once, upload, and earn repeatedly as your portfolio grows. Offering AI-enhanced online courses. Online education is massive, and AI can help you create comprehensive courses faster than ever. Use AI to outline curriculum, write lesson scripts, create quizzes, and even generate supplementary materials. Once your course is published on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare, it sells repeatedly without additional effort. AI can help you identify trending topics that people want to learn about, create engaging content, and even help with marketing copy. You can create courses on practically anything from cooking to coding, fitness to finance. The platform handles payments and delivery, while you earn passive income from each enrollment. Some course creators earn thousands monthly from courses they created years ago. Students from different time zones around the world can enroll and learn while you're sleeping, and you wake up to new sales notifications. AI doesn't replace effort, it multiplies it. Done right, it can create streams of income that keep working even when you're not. If this opened your eyes to new possibilities, like subscribe and share it with someone who wants to make money while they sleep.